Now I love an Oklahoma onion smash burger, but I've always wondered what a reverse seared version would be like, so let's make one. So to get started, we'll set our barbecue up. We'll be using our blackjack kettle, and the first thing we're going to do is open our lid, take our cooking grate off, we'll get a firelighter down on our charcoal grate, we'll light that up, and then we'll get about 20 briquettes in our charcoal chimney on top of our firelighter. But we've got about 15 minutes now until those briquettes are going to be ready, so we'll use that time to prepare some of our burger stuff. Now I'm going to start by thinly slicing one brown onion. I'll be using a mandolin just to get some nice, thin, even slices. Next, we're going to form our patties. These two balls of mince here are about 75% lean meat to 25% fat, and they weigh around 220 grams each. So first, I'm just going to roll and compact our mince into a nice tight ball, then go ahead and get them seasoned up. I'm just going to use some of our beef bounce. Then I'll divide our onion into 4 piles. Then we'll press our mince ball down on one pile of onions to form our patty, and then we'll press in the other pile of onions on top. And you always want to make your burger patties a bit wider than your burger buns to account for any shrinkage so they fit nicely. But now your onion burger patties are formed, they should look something like this. Alright, so now our briquettes are done, we're just going to dump them in at the front of our barbecue, opposite to where the lid vent is. Then we'll get them in a nice neat pile. Then we'll shut our lid, open up both of our vents, and we'll give our barbecue a few minutes to preheat. Alright, now our barbecue's up to temperature. I've got a nice little chunk of cherry I'll get straight on the fire. Then we'll get our cooking grate back on, followed by our 2 onion burger patties. Then we'll let them go for around 20 minutes to take on a little bit of smoke. Alright, so after 20 minutes, our burger patties are ready to come out for a sear to finish them off. So what I'm going to do is get some beef tallow down in a pan, and then we'll sear our patties off for around 60 seconds per side. Then after we've flipped each patty, we're going to get some burger cheese on, then we'll get our lid on just to melt that cheese. Then after each patty has been seared off, we're just going to rest it for a few minutes while we toast our buns. Then once your buns are toasted, go ahead and assemble your burger with all your favourite toppings, and then you can enjoy. Alright, there is no way this isn't going to be good. That is so tasty. It's very different from the smash patty, but that I could eat every day of the week. Well, there you have it. There's how to make a reverse seared onion burger. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you've subscribed to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. But for now, that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.